Hi guys! So it's Tina Maria here, and as you might know, I'm one of the faces of the Gina Tricot summer campaign this year, and we thought it would be fun if I did a little DIY with you guys. I've never done this before, so it's very new to me as well. The outfit I'm wearing today is of course Gina, and the top is this cute top. I'm wearing size small, and the denim shorts as well. I'm wearing a size 36, and you can get them in the link below. So I think I'm gonna show you all the things that you need. There is black yarn, a sewing thread in the same color, some water balloons, a wallpaper paste, and a black light bulb. That's it, and we're ready. I found this one in IKEA. You can actually also take a bigger one, but this is with 34 light bulbs. I think it's too much for this one, but I will save them so I can make them myself. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is you have water, a ball, and just some of this. And you're adding some water. Okay, so I added a bigger ball for the wallpaper paste, and I just tied on now. So now it's ready. Then you take some of the wallpaper paste and just do it like this to make the yarn a little bit wet, so it's sticky. And then you just start rolling around the balloon. I don't have a certain way of doing it. I'm just trying my best and see how it turns out. See, it's starting to come together. You can see there is a few spots here. You could just go over it like that. I think this one looks pretty much the same. And I just cut it off, and then I use a lot of wallpaper paste. Just dip it in. It's just important that you like how you do it. Like the first one looked like this, and the last one looks like this. So I'm getting better. So we will let them dry overnight now, and I think we'll go for a swim. Olivia and I, we are matching with the same bathing suit from Gina Tricot. And yeah, I'll let you know the result tomorrow. It's a heat wave here in Denmark, so we need to take a little night swim. Good morning! So it has been 24 hours and a new day, a new top, and I'm wearing the same jeans shorts as yesterday, and I just added a new top from Gina Tricot, and I'm wearing a size extra small, and it's so cute with the one shoulder detail. It's really cute. So now it has been 24 hours. They look good. The next thing you need to do is take the balloon and just take not a sharp scissor, but like a round one. I use Olivia's to just like tap into the balloon just a little bit. You can hear it, to loosen up from the ball I made, like this. You can hear it. This is actually quite satisfying. Are you guys ready? Look at that. And now you just need to pull it out. And then you're done. That's pretty. Look. That's so cute. I'm excited for this. Oh my god, they turned out pretty good. Some of them are like perfectly, and some of them are more rustic. I actually like that. I think it's cute. And yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's homemade, so and it's my first try. So yeah, next up is sewing them on. Look at this. How amazing. Did I just do this? I don't even know. I'm just gonna press the button. Okay, it's daylight now, but it looks amazing. I'm gonna try with the sundown later outside in the garden. But look at this. Damn. Okay, I'm a little proud of myself. It turned out pretty good. Let's see tonight.
And it went like...
So guys, that was it, and I'm actually really proud of the result. I don't know if you want to try it as well, but if you do, you can hashtag and tag Gina Tricot so we can see your result of this little DIY. And if you like this little video, you can comment and like it as well, and remember to subscribe to Gina Tricot's channel. Hope you have a lovely summer, and remember to stay safe. Thank you so much for watching.